Hey, welcome back. Okay, so we need more detail on the receipt here. So we have the customer name, we have the orders here, and so what we need is just more detail, because if we go to our orders here in the table, you will notice that there are a few more things missing, like the zip code, the tax, the shipping, etc., etc. So those things are not there. Because we don't want to add too many items here. We want the person to click so they can see more details. So let's add more of that detail here. It already exists, so we just need to display it. That's all. So let me come here for a second to orders.php. This is the view. We'll be dealing with the view because the data already comes with this variable there. So all we need to do is actually just display it. So if we come to details here, this is the point at which we have the username. We can add one more table here. So let me just duplicate this table. So you can put comments in here like this and say order details, like that, just so you know what's what. And yeah, something like that. Maybe you can put it there. You can figure it out, whatever is more convenient for you. So here, what I want is the table head. Let me copy that and put it here. But in here, what I would want instead is in fact, let me remove table head here because all of it will be part of the head anyway. Actually, we won't have the head, we just have a body here. So I'm going to cut everything here up to there so that I just have that. And so let's look at some details that we can add to this. So first of all, we have what's more important here. So let's start with the country, maybe. Okay, I think we can go in order of appearance. I think that's okay. Delivery address, we have the totals here, so no need to show that. Actually, we didn't even need to calculate the grand total because we had it in this row. I have no idea why we did that, but it's okay. So let's go with delivery address, country, state, zip, tax. Tax will be part of that ending part there. So let's start with delivery address then. Delivery address and then country and state. So let's do, let's start with country. And then let's go with state. And then let's go with delivery address. And then we're going to go with what else? Home phone. Okay. And then we have mobile phone, like that. So now let's add the correct content here. So I'm going to do table data, like that, and close it. And then here I will paste. This is order country. And just like that, I will copy this, paste it there, change that to state. And do the same here, change that to delivery address. And come down here, change this. Oops, I removed order here, which I wasn't supposed to do. Order, like that. Okay. And then here we have a home phone. And then finally we have mobile phone. Oh, not there, not there. Okay, and very important is the date as well. And date, yes. Let's come back here for a second and refresh. Click. All right. So now we have this here, which is good. And then we have the transactions down here. So country, state, delivery, so warning, variable, delivery address. Okay. So what did I do wrong? I added a $sign there, so that was the mistake. And there we go. So we have our details there, country, date, what, and then finally grand total there. So now what I want to do is have okay, all this is all good. What else am I missing here? Order number 2. Let me copy this part here and then put it in between these guys. First, let me put a break tag, or maybe a horizontal rule, and then just say order summary or something like that. Refresh, click. Okay, so I think you get the idea here. So you can design this thing as you wish so that all the details are seen here to remove all doubt. So we'll have to do the same thing on the user side. So, oh, actually, yeah, we will need to do that so that they can see the details they actually entered there. All right, so see you in the next video.